Hey, Dr. Song here from Omni Aesthetics. Today, I'm going to review the new tips for the SylfirmX. The new XE tips have two notable differences. The empty space around the treatment needles have been replaced by a thin raised border. The treatment area is the same, but wow, what a difference. The smaller head size allows you to get into those tight spaces under the brow and over the lips, and that raised border allows you to grip and lift the skin. Now watch this. When you press the treatment head against the skin, it leaves a little indentation mark so that you can actually see where you've been. The mark. See the square? Now you can put the next right next to it or overlap it slightly like you're doing. But the thing is, you don't even have to overlap because you can see exactly where the last treatment was because you can see the border. See that? Yeah, you can pull that up. And you can see those little marks. And let's try going right in between, in that little space by the side of her nose there, under the eyes. Look at that. You can get right in there. Okay. And then, let's go ahead and do her eyelids. Close your eyes, Terry. Let's go right on the eyelid. So she's going right above the eyelids. Now let's go right up to the lash. Just like, you know, of course you don't want to push too hard on her eyeball, but. Now let's go on the lower eyelids and under her eyes. And look how you can get right into there, and you can go right up to the lashes. And you don't need an eye shield because this is radio frequency. It's not a laser, so you don't have to worry about damaging the eye by looking at it. Okay. Yeah.
There we go.
See those bunny lines? Let's get those bunny lines. Where else can we go? Upper lip?
Mm-hmm.
And now you can get right up to the edge of the lip with this tip. Perfect. Yeah, how about like right in... Get right in that corner. Right up to the edge of her nose. No border. Now let's do the jawline. With that little extra lip on the border, you can grip the skin and look how much extra pull that she can get. She's pulling with her other hand, but she's also using that hand piece to grip the skin and pull even further to get that lifting vector, which you can only do with the SylfirmX because of the uninsulated needles. Okay. And there we have it, folks. This is the new XE tip from SylfirmX. I'm Dr. William Song. Thank you for watching.